Kingdom fungi. The fungi constitute a unique kingdom of heterotrophic organisms. They show a great diversity in morphology and habitat. When your bread develops a mold or your orange roots, it is because of fungi. The common mushroom you eat and toadstools are also fungi. White spots seen in mustard leaves are due to parasitic fungus. Some unicellular fungus, example yeast, are used to make bread and beer. Other fungi cause diseases in plants and animals. Wheat rust causing peuquina is an important example. Some are the source of antibiotics. Example penicillium. Fungi or cosmopolitan can and occur in air, water, soil and on animals and plants. They prefer to grow in warm and humid places. Have you ever wondered why we keep food in the refrigerator? Yes, it is to prevent food from go bad due to bacterial or fungal infections. With the exceptions yeast, which are unicellular fungi and filamentous, their bodies consist of long cylinder thread-like structure called hyphae. The network of hyphae is known as mycelium. Some hyphae are continuous tubes filled with multinucleated cytoplasm. These are called cyathonic hyphae. Others have spatty or cross walls in the hyphae. The cell wall of fungi are composed of chitin and polysaccharide. Most fungi are heterotrophic and absorb soluble organic matter, dead substrate, and hence are called saprophytes. Those that depend on living plants and animals are called parasites. They can also live in plants as mycorrhiza. Reproduction in fungi can take place by vegetative means, fragmentation, fission and budding. Asexual reproduction is by spore, called conidia or sporangispores or zoospores, and sexual reproduction is by oospores, excospores and basidiospores. The various spores are produced in distinct structure called fruiting bodies. The sexual cycle involves the following three steps. First, fusion of protoplasms between two motile or non-motile gametes called plasmogamy. Second, fusion of two nuclei called karyogamy. Third, meiosis in zygote resulting in haploid spores. When a fungus reproduces sexually, two haploid hyphae of compatible mating types come together and fuse. In some fungi, the fusion of two haploid cells immediately results in diploid cells, 2N. However, in other fungi, Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes, an intervening dikaryotic stage, N+N, i.e. 2 nuclei per cell, occurs. Such a condition is called a dikaryon, and the phase is called dikaryophase of fungus. Later, the parental nuclei fuse and the cells become diploid. The fungi forms fruiting bodies in which reduction division occurs, leading to formation of haploid spores. The morphology of the mycelium, mode of spore formation and fruiting bodies form the basis for the division of the kingdom into various classes.